How do you add your Facebook page to your Facebook profile in Facebook Ads Manager? Hi, my name is Regitze Simonsen. I'm going to show you here on my screen, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook page to your ad account, your Facebook ad account. So first here I'm on my profile, and then you click on the 9 buttons on the top right. That's the menu. Go to the left side, scroll down, click on Ads Manager, then you go into Ad Account. If it's not set up, then there's gonna be guidance on how to set that up. Facebook guides you through it. And up here you can actually change accounts, also more accounts if you have more accounts. Also out here on the logo you can click that, change account. I have several. Or you can simply go down here to all the settings. I'm gonna click on account overview. All tools actually, and then business settings. Click on my business account. This is on my business account, so just click on your business account. Here you're under your business account, and then you go down to pages. Under accounts you can assign different people to manage your page here. Also under people, by the way, and partners, if you're gonna run ads, for instance, you can assign an agency to run your ads here. But I'm just gonna go under accounts and then pages, and then you can add a page. I have one page associated already. Here you can add a page, or you can request access to a page if you're gonna run if you're gonna manage somebody else's page, for instance. But I'm gonna add my own page. So here you can put in either the URL or the Facebook or the page name. I'm just gonna put in the page name, then that pops up and you click on that. Then click on add page, and this one has already Instagram associated with the page already. Otherwise you can connect Instagram and Facebook page, so when you post then it shows up on both accounts. So that's pretty good. So then you just click add all, and that's how you add your Facebook page to your Facebook profile. Hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, and if you want to work with us, then we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook ads. You can book a call with me to learn more. There's a link in the description. There's also some free downloads, a free Facebook ad template, and we have an ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. You can also join our Facebook group. There's also a link in the description where you can learn more from me and other marketers. So go ahead and join all that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.